to another vlog, or it could be part of a current vlog. I don't know as of right now. It is November the 9th, Saturday, November 9th, and I'm doing Amazon haul. I did get the little simmer pot that I've been seeing all over TikTok, YouTube. So I got me my little simmer pot that I'm gonna put my apples and cinnamon sticks and oranges. I still got to get the other little things that's supposed to go in it. So I got this that came today, ordered it yesterday. And then I got this. It's a tray to put my teas in that I have. It's so I can use that basket for something else that I have it in. So I'm gonna do this so I can make my drinking station or coffee station, tea station look better. So that. I got this. This is for my Nespresso. My Nespresso draw insert organizer. It's compatible with the Vitro pod, so that's the kind that I have. So I got this, and I got this for my KitchenAid mixer. I hope it fixes it. A lot of folks are saying that it does. So, and I read up on it. I have the 6-quart the lift bowl, so I got this. So I can be able to mix stuff a little better. Cause my other one that come with it, it don't scrape the bowl. Thank good. And then I got these they call them iced teaspoons or coffee spoons. I got these. I thought these were really cute. I'm gonna put this in my coffee Christmas station. I'm gonna do that. And really right quick, I'm going to go ahead and take down some of my fall decor, which is like, oh, I hate to see it go. But I'm gonna take this stuff down, put it up. It's time to say goodbye. Time to put all this stuff up and get ready for Christmas time. So I'm just gonna do this right quick. Go ahead and just take this stuff down, put this up. Even this, I gotta take this, my other pumpkin, my little ghost. Gonna say goodbye to this. Put this up, wrap this up. Mr. Bones got to go. I know a lot of folks already already putting their Christmas stuff up, so I'm gonna be putting mine up. So I'm gonna take this Halloween stuff down. I'm even gonna take my fall decor down and just start putting up Christmas decor. We're gonna be getting our lights installed probably later next week. Get the lights installed. What else? And then I'm gonna be cleaning, and I need to go buy some more Christmas decor because my Christmas colors this year is gonna be gold, cream, or white. I'm more like off-white, black, and green. Those are gonna be my colors. I already did get a wreath made. It did come today. I'm actually gonna probably show that later in the vlog. The wreath that I got from Miss. I know you've probably seen on YouTube. She has 2 channels though, but it's At Home with Lisa. She's the one that made my wreath, and it is gorgeous. It looks just like the picture that I sent to her on Pinterest. She did her own twist to it. It's really pretty. So y'all be seeing that later. I'm also gonna be getting me 2 more trees. I want to put 2 pencil trees on my porch because I got this really high porch. So the little trees that I do got, they look like they're too small. So I really need to get something else. But really right quick, I'm gonna go ahead and try to take down some of this fall decor and put it up. my fall
Give it to
in this one tub. I know probably by next year. That's not funny, Jay.
He stole it, Mommy. Yes.
I've gotten all of my stuff in one tub. Maybe by next year I'll probably have 2 or 3 tubs. Right now it's just one tub.
Mommy.
So I am done. Now I need to clean and dust. And then I'll be putting my... He wants to show y'all his tablet. He doing his glare. But I will clean and dust and get everything cleaned up before I put my Christmas decoration out. But right now this is how everything is looking. It's looking very naked. Oh my God, I have to look naked with my films going on. That is it now. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down, and then once I clean, I get the camera back out so I can show y'all the cleaning for the Christmas cleaning, because I really got a lot of cleaning to do. Some I might not film because it is a lot of cleaning that I need to do. I got a lot of dusting and stuff to do, but definitely gonna get everything clean. This is a rug that I got from Costco, and they actually had this rug on sale. It was, what was it, regular $9.99. They had it on sale for $7, looked like $7.99. I got that rug. Then I got this curtain rod, and then those are some curtains that I got for I gotta do a video on a collaboration with 2-page curtains, draperies, so I gotta be doing that. So that video will be coming up pretty soon. I don't know, it might be mixed in, might be featured in this video, might be in the next video, but I will be doing that. It's gonna be like I said, it's gonna be a collaboration with 2-page, and those drapes are really heavy. They are very heavy, and we got 4 panels, but it looks like I'm gonna have to put, because they're so big, like I'm gonna put 2 in the bedroom and the other 2 in the dining room. But they are blackout linen, and I also, when I do the video, I show the color, the name of it and everything. But yeah, 2-page, they have some really nice drapes and other items, but I'll talk about it more when I do that video. And then we got this is a curtain rod that we're gonna be hanging up. Actually got that one from Home Depot. And hold on, he's actually currently smoking a brisket, so hold on. He want me to show y'all that. Currently smoking a brisket.
It take 12 hours to smoke.
It's gonna be, how long you said?
12.
It's gonna take 12 hours to smoke this. And you started this at what time?
6:30.
Okay, started at 6:30, so it's currently smoking a brisket, and it's gonna take 12 hours. It started at 6:30, so ooh, sound like it won't be coming off of that till about 6:30 in the morning. But I'm gonna go put this down. I'm probably gonna start on some cleaning and organizing with my coffee. I might grab the camera back out for that. I probably will. Ooh, that's a lot of smoke. Let me get back in here. But let me go do that, and then I'll pick y'all back up once I get ready to put my coffee in the organization. It going bad. Put that on clean too. They just so
Let's do it. Yes, mommy. Can I get this stool? Okay.
no, I'm not doing it. I'm just looking for the Ooh, child.
Sorry. What happened, mommy?
Nothing. Need to be cleaned up before I put it up.
Yeah. Clean my ear.
They need to be clean.
Yeah.
It's dusty.
T-Huts.
Really? Why you all up in the camera? Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Little simmer pot is so little. This battery is dying so fast. Let me change my battery out.